Hi, friends. I'm Amy from Kids Hour. Do you know what gives us super energy and bright smiles? Eating fruits and vegetables. Let's find out why they're so awesome. Fruits and veggies are full of vitamins, fiber, and magic colors that help our bodies grow strong and healthy. Veggie Vince. I help your eyes see better. Fruity Fi. And I help your heart stay happy and your tummy feel full. Eat your fruits and veggies too. They're so good for me and you. Red and green and yellow bright. Make you healthy, day and night. Let's eat the rainbow every day. Each color gives you a special power. Red apples, strawberries, heart power, orange carrots. Oranges eye power, yellow bananas, corn energy power. Green spinach, broccoli strong body power, purple grapes. Eggplant brain power. Let's do the fruity veggie challenge. Can you eat at least 5 colors of fruits and veggies every day? Let's count together. Yay! You are now a fruity veggie hero. Remember, friends, eat lots of fruits and vegetables every day to stay strong, smart, and full of energy. Crunch, munch, fruits and greens. Healthiest kids you've ever seen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more healthy fun on Kids Hour. Bye-bye.